Alright YouTube, today we're going to do an unboxing of this DC Audio Level 2. It's a 12-inch dual 4 ohm subwoofer, and we're going to pull it out of the box here and show it to you. Okay, so the unboxing's done, and here's the sub. Okay, just kidding, we're actually going to do an unboxing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open this guy. This is how you'll get your sub, unless you get two of them. They come in a different box, and then these are inside that box. But I open it up here. You get the little foam set up here, and you gotta pull it out of the box. As so. Alright, and then get your foam pieces away here. These are a little messy, but as you can tell, I make a lot of little fuzzies. Anyway, there's your sub, comes in the wrap. Alright, there we go. This is DC Audio Level 2. And we'll go ahead and get you some close-ups of this guy. Get some photos and get a good look at it. Alright, so let's get a good look at this. I brought it outside to get some natural light on it. I think it makes it look a lot better that way. If you look down here, you can see our spider. It's an 8-inch linear roll, dual spider, stitch tinsel leads. Get the push terminals, 8 gauge. Down here we got our coil. Get the 12 spoke cast basket. DC Audio pressed paper cone. Rubber surround, or rubber foam surround. Pretty nice though. Dust cap. Comes with the gasket here. You also get a little boot on the motor. DC Audio logo on it. Go down over here, we can see that shiny motor. We got the pull vent and also the coil gap vents. So this thing's going to cool very well for what it is. Being a level 2, I still consider this an entry level. This is one of their better entry level subs. Level 1 is same size motor, but doesn't include the pull venting, and it's rated about half the Power RMS, and it doesn't have as much spider on it. These ones are pretty nice entry level. Rated 600 watts RMS. I think she's gonna like these. These will be paired pretty well. One of these on a 1.2K. It's gonna be a little bit much, so you'll have to tune the amp for it. You could definitely get a pair of these on a 1.2K, and you might even be able to get away on a 2K amplifier. All those amplifiers are available at my website, cheapandbass.com, and whenever you're looking at subs on my website, you'll also see my recommendations for pairing up subs with amps. So that kind of helps you decide on what you got to do. This is a dual 4 ohm. So if you get 2 of these, wire them in parallel, you'll end up at 1 ohm nominal at your amp. So it's really good pairing. So being 600 watts RMS, you get 2 of those on a 1.2K and you're pretty much perfect. Nice electrical. So that's our look at the sub here. We're gonna get some photos, so stay tuned and check those out. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I appreciate all the likes and the following, and if you want to comment, go ahead and do that. You can get me on Instagram at Too Loud For You. That's all in the description. I post a lot of photos, one a day at least. So it's the best way to keep up with me. Or you can follow me on Facebook, Jeep and Base Official, or my private account, Ray Pimley. Go ahead and follow that, and you'll see a lot of updates very often, things we're working on. Stay tuned, because this build is going to be coming along next few months. My girlfriend's been hit by the bug, the base bug, and we did no other option than to get her some DC audio in there, so we chose 212s. I think we're going to try a 4th order, little trunk build. We'll go through, I'll probably be posting videos on things like kind of choosing what to buy for your stereo, you know, like planning, how to plan a stereo system, maybe get you some ideas, just little things, show you the way I do it, you know, the way I like to order wiring or run my wires, the way I like to build my boxes. Hopefully I can go fairly in depth on this build, so stay tuned. It'll probably take about 2 or 3 months, so most of the summer to do. So I should be able to have some time to get real in depth with it and show you the details more so than I normally do with builds. So stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed the video with the subwoofer, and catch me this weekend. I'll be out here with the Jeep. Show you more DC audio if it's unlocked. Catch me in Sacramento at the SSC show 3X. Get a demo of this. We've got 10,000 watts of DC in here. And Sky High and SMD and full throttle. Need to wash the car out and all that, but other than that, be out there tomorrow. Today's a Friday, so tomorrow is the 2nd, June the 2nd. So catch me out there. I'll put it in the description, or you can check out my website, jeepandbase.com, and go to shows, and I have all the show listings of all the places I plan to be this year. So anyway guys, thanks for checking out the unboxing. Thanks for subscribing and checking out the channel. And make sure to hit that like button. Always appreciate it.